Hey y'all, welcome to Soulmates of Georgia. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because Susie and I are not on it, but I was down at the farm with my dad and a friend working recently, and my cousin came over to unroll the hay bales for the cows, and I was able to catch it on video and wanted to show it to y'all, share it with y'all, and just explain how this works, why it's a good thing to do. This is the way we unroll the hay for the cows. It's easier to do it with the tractor for us because Danny brings the hay bales over with his tractor, so he has it already there for him.
Okay. Leave it there?
Yeah. You can push it on there if you want to.
Yeah.
I get it.
Not quite able to push that one.
I don't know what I was thinking there. That bale is still well over 500 pounds with that much left, but I tried to push it with my foot. Anyway, we put out a new bale for him every 3 days or so usually, and put it in a different spot every time. So it spreads out the carbon from the hay and all their manure and urine too. Gets spread out in different places every day.
Yeah. So what we were doing here was unrolling the hay. They can eat it from there. There's no need to push it all the way into the trees. But this, by unrolling it, it does two things that are fantastic as opposed to putting it in a hay ring or just leaving it on the ground. This, look at that, that's thick hay here. It's all spread out. So that means the cows can come in, they don't have to fight over it. The big cows and the bull can push the little guys out of the way if it's all in one pile or in a hay ring. But by using it like this, everybody can get as much as they want whenever they want it. Anything they trample, this is the, let me go over here to the left. This, if you can see that, this is what we had in here from about 3 days ago. They ate about all of it. And then the rest, they urinated on and dropped their manure on it. That's all carbon going back in the soil. There's also some seeds in there. So that's just gonna replant grass. I'm not sure what was in this mix. I think it was Bahia, and this was a second cutting. I don't think there's any clover in it. But all the stuff over here, this is where he started. They can get that easily. So it's gonna be good. You can look at going back down here. You can see a little bit of a ridge there. And that is gonna be good. And this whole area in here is gonna have new seed that's dropped in here. More carbon, help build up the soil. Everything about this is good. Only thing people say that's negative is they think it wastes it. But to me and to Danny, who was driving the tractor there, he's our farm manager, my cousin, we agree that there's no waste. If it's going back in the soil and it's adding nutrients back in the soil, there's nothing wasteful about that. So yeah, the cows don't eat everything, but it's going back into the soil for the spring and summer and fall when the grass is really growing, and they have more to eat that way. So I'm pretty psyched that I was able to catch them doing that when we were down here, while we were down here working.
A couple hours later, the cows were able to find the hay and were able to go to town on it. And so I am gonna stop talking and let y'all just enjoy the peacefulness of the cows.